Hello aspirants, welcome to Civil Steps YouTube channel and also the lecture series for important government schemes for UPSC prelims exam. In this video, we are going to cover an important scheme of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, that is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, which we used to call PM Kisan also, a very famous scheme and important for your exam also. It is a central sector scheme with 100% funding from the Union government, that is Government of India. This scheme aims to provide income support to the farmers, or in other words, supplement financial needs of the farmers for procuring various inputs related to agriculture and allied activities as well as domestic need. Okay, so it is for income support. Now, how this scheme works? We'll see that working of this scheme. Under this scheme, all the land holding farmer families, irrespective of the land holdings, are eligible for income support. Now, here what is the definition of family as per the scheme? It includes husband, wife and minor children only. In this scheme, the income support is given of rupees 6,000 per year. In this scheme, the eligible farmer is given an income support of rupees 6,000 per year. That is, it is provided to all the land holding eligible farmer families. Next, funding is directly transferred into the bank accounts of the eligible farmers, that is through DBT, which we used to call direct benefit transfer mode. This income support is given in 3 equal installments, that is of 2,000 each, and that is every 4 months. Now we will see the other parameters of this scheme. Okay, farmers can do their self registration through the farmers corner portal or through common service center. It means that farmer has been given both online and offline mode. So farmer can access to both, that is online as well as offline. Now the responsibility of identification of beneficiary farmers, that is beneficiary farmer families, rest with the state as well as UT government. The benefit shall be paid to only those farmers families whose names are entered into the land records, except for forest dwellers, northeastern states and Jharkhand, which has separate provision for land records. All PM Kisan beneficiaries will be given the Kisan credit cards so that farmers can take easy loans from the banks. This will help all such farmers to get short-term loans for crop as well as for animal/fish rearing at the maximum interest rate of 4% on timely repayment. Okay. Recently, PM Kisan mobile app was launched on first anniversary of PM Kisan to broaden the reach of the scheme. Using this app, farmers can view the status of their application, update or carry out corrections of their Aadhaar card, and also check history of credits to their bank account. Now this scheme also provides exclusion criteria for certain category of farmers, such as, means some people are not allowed to take benefit under this scheme. It includes all institutional landholders, farmers families in which one or more of its member belongs to the following categories, like former and present holder of constitutional post, former and present minister, or you can say it can be state minister, it can be former present member of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, State Legislative Assembly, State Legislative Council. So all these are excluded from taking benefits. Former and present mayors of municipal corporation, former and present chairperson of district panchayats also, they are also excluded. All serving or retired officers and employees of state as well as central government, including state PSCs and central PSCs. Clear? It also exclude those who are working as a regular employees of the local bodies. Clear? So they are also excluded to take the benefit under this scheme. And finally, it also exclude those people who are a retired pensioners and whose monthly pension is rupees 10,000, or you can say more. So it is very less. Okay. So it should be increased. Okay. All person who paid income tax in the last assessment year. So everyone is paying income tax. Okay. Professionals like doctors, engineers, lawyers, CA and architect registered with professional bodies and carrying out professions by undertaking practices. So these all are the categories. So if you see the exclusion list, after excluding many people, very less people are left. Okay, so very less are the beneficiaries of PM Kisan. Thank you.